Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you 5 easy but very effective ways to make a passive income with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
Making a passive income with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can be a great way to earn money without having to actively trade or manage your investments. Here are 5 of the best ways to do so. Staking. Staking is a process where you hold on to a certain amount of a cryptocurrency and use it to validate transactions on a blockchain network. In return, you earn a reward, usually in the form of more of that cryptocurrency. This is a low risk and passive way to earn money with your crypto holdings. Also lending. Some platforms allow you to lend your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies to others in exchange for interest. This can be a great way to earn a passive income without having to trade or manage your investments. Dividend paying tokens. Some cryptocurrencies, such as certain utility tokens, pay dividends to holders. These dividends can be a form of passive income, as you can earn money simply by holding onto these tokens. Mining. Mining is a process by which new cryptocurrencies are created and transactions are validated on that particular network. By joining a mining pool or investing in mining hardware, you can earn a share of the rewards for validating transactions. While it requires more investment and technical know-how than other options, it can be a lucrative source of passive income. And then last but not least, Masternodes. Some crypto projects have implemented a Masternode system which requires a certain amount of coins to be locked up. In return, the Masternode operator gets a portion of the block reward. This is a higher risk but a more profitable way to earn passive income. It's worth noting that the crypto market is highly volatile and the value of your investments can fluctuate greatly. It's important to research the projects and platforms you're interested in and consult with financial experts before making any investments. It's also important to diversify your investments and only invest what you can afford to lose. So out of these 5, what is your favorite passive income stream? Please share it in the comment section below. So make sure to drop me a like on this video, guys. I really appreciate it. And of course, if you want more money-making tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Are you seeking for financial freedom? Escape the rat race and reclaim control of your future with the Passive Income Academy. Experience the power of passive income, granting you the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Join our community today and gain access to a vast array of tools, resources, and online training courses meticulously crafted to ensure your financial well-being. With the right mindset, tools, and resources, you can achieve a life of financial freedom, which allows you to live the life you desire. Start your journey towards true financial success and connect with like-minded individuals who are committed to achieving their goals. Join our supportive community and embark on your journey to financial success today.